Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to cancel your OnlyFans subscription. If you no longer want to continue a subscription, follow these simple steps to cancel it. First, open your web browser and go to onlyfans.com. Log in to your account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the profile of the creator you're subscribed to. On the creator's profile, look for a button or link that says Following or Subscribed. This will usually be located near the top of the page. Click on it and you'll see an option to manage your subscription. When the subscription settings open, you'll see a button that says Unsubscribe or Cancel Subscription. Click on that. You may be asked to confirm your decision or provide a reason for unsubscribing. Fill in any necessary details and confirm your choice. Once you've done this, your subscription will be cancelled and you won't be charged when the current billing cycle ends. Remember, you'll still have access to the content until the end of your paid subscription period. To double-check that the cancellation was successful, go to your account settings, click on Subscriptions, and you should see that the subscription status for that creator now says Expired or Cancelled, and that's it. You've successfully unsubscribed from an OnlyFans profile. Thank you for watching.